Yo, what up, traders? Remember, guys, this is time to learn everything for free, guys. You know what I'm saying? So the reason why I'm taking this trade, let me show you. Let me show you guys the reason why I'm taking this trade, right? This is the reason why I'm taking this trade. You know what I'm saying? I find this opportunity using price action. You know what I'm saying? So as you can see, the trend line is getting broken, which means it's time to sell this current. It's so crazy, guys. You know what I'm saying? It's time to sell this current for so crazy, you know. Guys, I promise you guys that if you already subscribe to this channel right here, everything you're gonna learn for free. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna learn for free. All you need to do is to copy everything that I'm doing, because this is how you're going to become successful. This is how you're going to shift my knowledge to into your mind. You know what I'm saying? My mindset inside to your mindset. You know what I'm saying? So this is how you need to do it, and this is how everybody do. You know what I'm saying? You copy somebody else's knowledge, you steal somebody's knowledge, you make it yours. You know what I'm saying? So if you don't want to do that, bro, you're gonna keep waiting. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna keep waiting. So guys, I'm gonna show you on the chart the reason why I'm taking this trade for real. So let me just turn the screen so that you can be able to see. You know what I'm saying? I'm just turn the screen for you to see everything proper. Wait, why? Let me try this. All right, gang. All right, gang. Look at this, gang. I hope guys can see that the trend line is getting broken. You know, so it's getting broken, and in this case, guys, I'm expecting to go crazy with this trade all the way to this point right here. Let me show you. Come back, man. All right, then. So I'm expecting to kill the trade from here, from this point here. All right, from this point here all the way to this point right here. You know what I'm saying? And you can see, guys, we're getting to the profit, because you can see that the market is breaking the trend line, and you can see that the strategy right here is being at the sell level starting from this point. So now, because I wasn't around the market, I didn't find all this move from here to this point. I didn't find this move, but I found this move after the retest to the trend line, and then now I'm taking the breakout from the trend line, and which means I'm gonna get out as soon as the strategy says that it's going to push all the way to level 8. Then I'm gonna get out the market, which means at this point it's the price action will be at this point right here. Let me show you guys nicely. Guys, me and you guys, we like this. We friends. You know what I'm saying? Me and you guys, we friends, right? I'm showing you guys every secret. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know why I fall in love with you guys just like that, but I want you guys to learn everything. You know what I'm saying? Because you never know. Okay, cool. So it's gonna drop from here all the way to the zone that I just draw right here. So yes sir, I hope you guys already learned something from this. You know what I'm saying? So you can take the breakout as opportunity as well. You know what I'm saying? Because after this point right here, obvious, once the market reach at this point right here, obvious is gonna give the pullback back to the to this point right here, always expect something like that. Once the market broke the trend line, if the market broke the trend line right here, it's gonna move all the way to the previous zone. You know what I'm saying? If it's dropping, it's gonna move all the way to the previous row. All right, and then after the previous row, the market is still gonna come back, pull back all the way to where the market break out from. So I hope you learned something from this, man. This is the big secret you must know, and keep this in your mind, bro. This is the secret, bro, and this is how you run things, you know. This is how you run things, you know. Cop everything, bro. Cop everything somebody who has knowledge than you tells you, you know, because we've been through the market for a long time, so we know we've been through a lot, you know what I'm saying. All these situations, they've been, you know, we've been through all these situations, you know what I'm saying, taking the trade and the market break on you, you know what I'm saying. Then next time, you know what to do once the market repeat the same thing that did for you last time, you know what I'm saying. So once the market did the same thing, you're gonna be like, hey, yo, you wanna take me like a demo, you know. You're gonna be like that because you know the market is trying to play with your mind, but you know what it did for you last time, you know what I'm saying. You're gonna be like, no, I know what you wanna do now, you know. So I already know. So right now, guys, I'm just gonna put my stop loss at this point right here. At this point right here, let me show you where I'm gonna put the stop loss. I'm gonna put my stop loss right here. Right here. I'm gonna put my stop loss right here. Yes, sir. And then, you know, I'm gonna put my stop loss right here at the previous high. So, guys, yes, man, I hope you learned something from this, man. Peace, guys. Peace out. I will see you guys once we hit the profit or once we hit the loss. I'll show you guys everything, you know. But this is 99% win. This one right here, it's going to be 99% win. We're gonna win this trade, trust me. So peace guys. I hope you learned something from this, and expect more tips like this, you know what I'm saying. As I promise you guys, make sure you subscribe and make sure you follow me on Telegram channel if you want to join the team. It's absolutely up to you. If you want to join the team, you can follow me on Telegram for the free Telegram group, and then once you decide to join the team, you're just gonna send me a message like, yo, Juba, I just want to join the team, and then you will be ready to go. So peace out, guys. See you on the next one, man. And keep the secret, bro. Keep the secret, and make sure you like this video, because this video right here is so powerful. Just keep it real, bro. Cool.